Hey guys, Steve here. I just wanted to get on and make a quick video, talk about a new opportunity. Ohio, right? A new opportunity that's on the internet right now. It's called textbot.ai. It's a business. It's a make money online. It's in the make money online niche. And actually, it's in the make money in general niche because I can get sidetracked real easy, but corporations use this same kind of technology all day, right? You go to the register, what do you see? A sign. Text this number for 50% off or 5% off or something, right? You text the number, you get a code, they text back, they scan it, and you get 5% off your purchase, right? It's the same technology, except for now it's in our hands. And what we choose to do with it is make money, right? We can sell it. We can promote our businesses. We can promote any other affiliate opportunity we have. Maybe apps, maybe clickbank products, maybe weight loss products, maybe, anything. Anything is up to your imagination what you can do with this platform. And it costs $100 one-time payment. And what you get is you get Ava and a phone number that you can pass out and that you can interact with. So who's Ava? Ava is your new automated virtual assistant. She holds real-time human-like text message conversations with everyone you connect her with, and then texts you whenever something worthwhile happens with that lead. She then automatically follows up with each of your leads and invites them to visit any website of your choice. So that's promoting any business, any opportunity, and you can resell the system. So you can promote one system and also sell the $100 system, which is Ava, and make commissions on that. This is the CEO and operator, the CEO and originator, creator. He's in the Facebook group. Onyx, stop. Here's the number of leads we generated so far, 303,579. This is the amount of money that has been paid out to resellers, over $1 million. And these are the number of resellers, 34,791. So that's a quick little, just look at the presentation page, but I'll leave a link in the description box below so you can check it out for yourself. Let's take a quick hop on over to the Facebook page. And I just want to show you here, this is what you'll get access to once you come aboard as a reseller of textbot.ai, which is an excellent opportunity, which, I'm not sure why you wouldn't, but the group has 2,476 members. Obviously, if every reseller was in here, it'd be live, right? But so scrolling down, Mr. Rich, $3,100 he made as of today, or as of that post. He could have made more. You have a lot of people who's coming in saying congratulations, saying that you're ready to make money. It's a lot of positivity in here. And as you know, if you want to be successful, you get around successful people. Here's the owner, Jeff Long. He's in here interacting with everybody. You don't see many owner creators involved, but he's in the group. Always making updates to the system to make it better, to make it more profitable. Like I said, corporations dump a lot of money into their technology in order to get money out of us to keep us broke. Why can't we use that same technology to enrich our lives, change our lives, right? So, but that's that. This guy, Alex Bailey, shout out to him, $4,700 in 37 days. It's amazing. Welcome to textbot.ai. Jeff Long again giving an update on the new presentation page, which I showed you at the beginning. This person made over $1,000, and it goes on. And here's like the pinnacle. This guy made 30 grand in 4 months, and his next goal is 50 grand. And these are real people making real money. What's $100, right? You know what I mean? If you don't got it, you don't got it. But if you got it, why would you miss out on making this money? So anyway, that's a little bit of proof. Now, what I wanted to talk about is the compensation plan. Okay, let me go back. The compensation plan. It's 100% commission. You pay, like I said, you pay a one-time fee of $100 to purchase the number and the system, and that money goes directly to your sponsor. So it's 100% product sale. Okay. The type of program is called, it is a reverse one-up system. Let's see if I can get this on the screen and get everybody on here. It's a reverse one-up system here. So basically, pretend this is me, right? I sell, this is me. Yeah, I can get fancy. Let me see if I get some drawing utensils here. Can I open it up? Nope, but then it won't let me zoom in, so never mind. But anyway, so basically this is me, and I sell it to you, right? Then you sell it to Mary. Then you sell it to Mary, Bob, Ted, and Joan, okay? Now your second sale, since this is called a reverse one-up system, it's called a reverse one-up system right here. Your second sale, which is Bob, reverses up to me. You see that? So I get that $100. Okay, you get $100 from Mary because you sold to him. Your second sale that you made goes up to me. Then you get your third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, all the way to however much you're promoting it. The only way it stops is if you stop your hustle, right? So don't stop your hustle. Instant cash in your pocket from day one. This first payment breaks you even. Now you invested 100, you got that 100 back. The second sale goes up to me. The third, fourth, fifth, like I said, on to infinity, you get the rest of that cash. But that's not where it don't stop there. Phase 2 of the reverse one-up system. Phase 2 is this. You have Mary and Ted, which were on your line, Mary, Ted, and Joan. But Joan is over here chilling. She ain't promoting nothing, so we ain't going to talk about Joan. You know what I'm saying? So we'll just stick with Mary and Ted, who stayed on your line. So Mary sells to M1, Mary's one. Then her second sale gets passed up to you. That's $100 in your pocket. Then she keeps the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all the way to infinity. Then Ted, who was still on your line, because remember Ted here, the hustler, he made one sale. Then his second sale passed up to you. So that's $200 that you just got from Mary and Ted, right? And then third, fourth, fifth, sixth belong to Ted. But it don't stop there. Not only do you continue promoting it, making more Marys and Anns and Sarahs and all whoever name they come up with, right? You can still be promoting, get their second sale. But not only that, M2 here, Mary's second, and T2 here, Ted's second, are on your main line now, right? So now, zoom this in. Now, Mary's second person, this person here, M2 and T2, their second sale. So they sell to John, break even. Now their second sale goes up to you. That's another $100. And then Ted, T2, he makes his first sale, breaks even. Then his second sale, David, comes up to you. And guess what? Once Alex and David on your line, they owe you their second sale. And that's how it keeps going till infinity or until your hustle stops. So, you know what I mean? So that's as simple as it is. That's as simple as it is. It's called the reverse one-up system. And I might put this actual copy in the description box so you can have it. But if you sign up under me, I can blow it up for you if you want. But if you sign up under me, I'll give you a free marketing system, a book on what to do with drop cards, and also I have scripts of how to program your text messaging in the back office. And I'll just show you a few of the keywords that I have back there, just to show you what I got going on. So this is my back office here. Let me go back here, my profile. I probably logged out because I was sitting in here. But anyway, so here's your back office where you have all your information. Here is my primary business. As I said before in a previous video, this is actually a rotator, and I have that set up to rotate between textbot.ai and another business. And rotators, if you don't know, can handle as many links as you want, but I wouldn't make it crazy, because when the system would send it out, the one person to click on it. If they click on it a second time, it's going to go to a different link. So anyway, but that's how I got it set up. Also, since I have a capture page, their emails are coming through my capture page, and I'm also emailing them on the back end. So not only are they getting the text from the system of my primary opportunity, which can be one of two different 100% commission programs. Also, I'm hitting them on the back end with my Power Lead System email autoresponder sequence that can also promote my Power Lead System, free, whatever, and my other primary business or whatever it is on the back end. You guys get the point. So that's that. That's how that's set up. I should have kept that information for myself, but I'm a cheerful giver. So let's see. Let's go to keywords. So keywords, you can set up. I got all of these different keywords: chime, level, gas, DOS, Cash App, funnel, whatever. I got all of these keywords, but all of these words are all. They all have a response, and they're all triggered by a different set of other keywords. It took me a while. I set this up. So before I really started pushing it, I really put some thought into it, and I got with some other like-minded individuals, which are on YouTube and in the Facebook group, and connected with them and gave me a little deeper understanding of how this chat box conversation stuff actually works. So like I said, I'll share my information. If you sign up with me, I'll help you, put the sequences in to trigger your trigger words and everything else. But like I said, my primary reason for this video was just to show you the reverse one-up payment structure, which is a way that you use leverage. Oh yeah, that's what I was going to show you in the back office here. So over here under resellers, you have a leverage line, right? But it shows you who's on your line, who's on your pay line, who's paid, and it shows what second person you would owe, right? So that's something to look into. That'll keep you on track of who owes you money, I guess, or what to expect, so you can project, I guess, how much you're going to be getting. But like I said, the reason I made this video is specifically to describe the reverse one-up system. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you sign up with me, I'll help you get all set up. I'll provide you free marketing system that you can connect to this Ava, textbot Ava, and to help promote by giving away a free software. And also, I'll give you a book on what to do with drop shipping, or not drop shipping. Oh man, what to do with drop cards. Sorry. But other than that, like I said, I hope you liked the video. Like, share, subscribe. All the other information will be in the description box below. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.